at US 100 on a 5-minute time frame and also on the 30-minute time frame. Now I need you to observe what the market is doing, right? Clearly, these candles that you see here are driven by a catalyst, right? This is a 5-minute time frame, and then this is a 30-minute time frame. Are driven by what? A catalyst, right? Okay. Be patient, you'll see the play. I promise you, when you see the play, your life will change. Yes. Now, what are we looking for? Exactly. Okay, the two EMAs, look at this channel. We have these two EMAs that crossed each other, right? And then they started showing momentum, meaning that now they started deviating from each other, right? This gap shows that the market has momentum, right? When it does this, on the next day, we wait for our setup on the next day, right? Our setup on the next day should come during London or New York session. Okay, the play is simple. We will wait for a retest, number one. Number two, we'll wait for the RSI to be below our market baseline, right? And then also when you look at the TDI, where our RSI is at, this is the TDI, we will see that the market has what? Volatility. Yep. Okay. Now our entry was around here, right? Our entry was around here, right? And then our stop loss just above this EMA, right? We target one is a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio or 5-to-1 depending on the instrument. But for a Nasdaq instrument and NAS100, usually 5-to-1 will do. Okay, let me play. You see, these are easy trades. So this trade for us played out during New York session, and then also later on during New York session, it kept retesting our channel. Whatever you do, do not trade against this setup. It's a simple setup, a simple play from the market, right? It's a very simple play. Okay, let's recap. So the previous day, we had these two EMAs crossing each other and then deviating from each other, showing market momentum. Also, these candles here, these candles on a 30-minute time frame, they show that we are having a catalyst. It might be news or geopolitics, whatever fundamentals, but the market is being driven by a catalyst. And then on the next day, only on the next day, it's when we take a trade, right? Okay, let me also show you another setup we had on the USD ZAR. Okay, this is a USD ZAR, right? On the previous day, we had a nice catalyst, right? Driven by fundamentals, right? Now, on the next day, during London, which is today, we got a very nice bullish setup, right? And our risk to reward ratio is 3-to-1, right? 3-to-1. Yeah. Very nice setup. Very nice, easy market play. It might change your life if you follow it.